beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today, Kylie stole Christmas. So in a Grinch collection by Kylie, she has done this whole entire look on her photo shoot. She looked absolutely stunning and beautiful. So I recreated this entire look of hers. Her eyes does look like this, but just more green. I do not have that green, but I use the green that I have, and I've tried to mix it with another green, and this was the green that I finally came into conclusion with. So if you want to see how to recreate her look and the procedure of what I've done, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, first thing we're going to do is prime our skin. I'm going in with the Maybelline Primer. I'm trying to keep everything like green, so even though it's all different types of green. I'm just going to rub this in. So guys, next I'm going in with my eyebrows. I saw she kept it really neat and sleek, so I'm just gonna go in and just try and like tame my brows down to a thin point. Now I'm just gonna go in and neaten my brows, and then I'm just going to like blend that all out with my original skin tone. This is actually the thinnest I could actually get my brows to, because the rest is my original hair on my brows. Thereafter, I'm going in with my beauty blender and just putting the excess in my eyelid. So guys, first thing I'm gonna go in and do is just take some concealer at the back of my hand. I'm taking a nice concealer that's like kind of rich, as well as going to stick onto the skin. So I'm going to be using the Essence one as well as the Estee Lauder. So it just looks something like this. Now I'm just gonna go in and pack on the glitter. I'm using this glitter here from this container. It's soft and subtle as well as really messy. So I'm going to just start packing this all over. I know it's not as neon as Kylie's, but this was the only neon green that I had. This was the only green that I had that was so close to neon. If you got a glitter that's a lot more better, you can use that one. Now I'm going in with the eyeliner and I'm just going to carve out this whole thing. So I'm just gonna wipe out the eyes here on the corners, and then I'm getting ready to put on my false lashes. So I'm going in with my color first, and I'm just going to curl up these bad boys. I hate curling lashes really too close. And then I'm just going to add some mascara to my eyes. Now I'm going to put on the lashes. I've seen she's used like a really kind of volumized lash. I don't like so much volume, but I'm gonna do it. So I don't have the glue with the brush in it, so I'm using one of my brushes to place the glue on my eyes. So now I'm gonna pop these bad boys on. Anyway guys, now moving on to the foundation kind of routine. I'm going in with some Revlon foundation in the color caramel, and I'm just going to apply that all over. So guys, I did go for a facial yesterday after so long. Because of COVID, I didn't want to actually go for a facial, but like my skin really needed it. And with just one facial, Lord, my skin had like such a drastic change. I was looking so nice yesterday. That's why I didn't upload a video, because I don't want to like put any makeup on my skin, and I just wanted my skin to breathe. And I went early in the morning with my mom, and I took her for a facial as well, because her skin is just as bad as mine. But we came back looking transformed. They removed my pimples, my blackheads, they just like exfoliated. Oh, it was just so amazing. Next, I'm going in underneath my eye to bake a little, and now that I've been treating my under eyes, now that I've been treating my under eyes, it's been so much easier to like put on makeup and foundation and all of that. So there's not so much of makeup required onto my skin like previously. So even I can use a lighter weight foundation, and it's just so much easier now to do than it ever was onto my skin. Next, I'm going in with a little bit of bronzer. Kylie loves her bronzer. I've seen how snatched she looks, but I'm not so much into bronzer part of life, so I'm just going to like use what I've got. Now I'm going in with my mascara to tackle down the bottom line. So now for the additional glow and light. And she went in with a nude lipstick. So last but not least, I'm just gonna go in with some glow. Now it's time to set. With the damp beauty blender, I'm just going to cover everything up. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.